Hey guys, welcome back to another unboxing. Thankfully I have a few shoes today. There hasn't really been much heat on Nike, at least in my region, and yeah, that's just the reason why there hasn't been so many videos. But hopefully we'll be happy with these. Wow, this looks like it's already been pulled. No point trying to open that, it's already been resealed. So let's just cut this open. These are Jordan 1s, I think. The woman's colorway. There we go. You can see a little bit of the name already. Women's Air Jordan 1 Zoom A Comfort UK 5.5. Wow, it's so weird. It's a UK 5.5 here to US 8. Thought it would be like a UK 6.5. In any case, I love these boxes. They're so good for the environment. I mean, they're not like the best, but yeah, they are better than the other ones. As with all the Zooms Comforts, they come with these, making it look a little bit more premium. Oh wow, I was not expecting this. I thought it would just be all leather. Wow, that's why they wrapped it up actually. Oh, that is soft, eh? And there's something inside, but it's still like, wow. This is black. So soft as well. Don't know if you can see this. Wow. This is shiny. Wow. And it comes with two colored laces. Nothing at the back. And let's see the tongue. The tongue says Zoom on it. And let's look at this extra padding. I think you can see a bit of it there. Extra thick tongue. The inside work is actually a little bit untidy, but the outside work looks to be really neat. Okay, let's throw a 360 view of this. also just need to smell the shoe, because usually these ones smell really good. So let's just check that out. Wow, yeah, these are really good. The quality is quite nice. So if someone is speaking to you and they're looking down, that's what they see. That's a better view of what they see. This is a side view. It looks a lot more purple in real life than it's coming out on the video. In the video it's a bit more bluish. But yeah, in real life it's proper purple, like Barney. And if you're looking down, that's what you see. Yeah, these look very cool. Yeah, I actually hate buying my size in these shoes, because then I find it really hard to sell them, and well, I need to make money. So yeah. Oh, the paper actually has in all over it. Yeah, I can see that there. So I think I did an unboxing for you guys of the Rebellionaires, which, I mean, really I couldn't sell. I can't even put a price to them at the moment. So, yeah. I really like this piece. Okay, cool. I do have another unboxing for you guys, but I think I'm gonna split the videos. So yeah, stay tuned. If I can close this box. There we go. Right, next lot.